What is going on, Road Warriors? Errol here, and you're riding the HRC with High Road Comics. And today is a great day because what are we going to be doing? We are going to be going over my new comic book day pickups for May 15th, 2019. Excuse that echo. Can you hear me now? Alright, so here you go. Check it out. We'll start off with my...
Whosoever watches this channel, if he or she be worthy, shall acquire the knowledge from High Road Comics.
We'll start off with my DC Comics. We got Batman number 71. Tom King, he's back. We got Superman. Michael Bendis, killing it. Literally, maybe, hopefully not. Death to the House of L. Superboy, Supergirl, and Superman. Rogol Dar is pretty badass, you gotta admit. You got High Level number 4. Great read. I'm gonna read that right after this. Justice League number 24. So is Batman the bad guy? Yikes. And here's the hype. We got Wonder Comics, Michael Bendis, Naomi number 5. Check it out. Let me fix this camera. Whoa, whoa. Okay, is that better? Probably not. Let me see. That is not better. Anyway, I'll do better next time. Let's go ahead and see what else I got. This I am totally looking forward to. Last Stop on the Red Line, number 1. Yeah. Alright, so here we go. I don't normally do this. Marvel Comics, second print of Major X number 2. Rob Liefeld, you got me, man. I am gonna probably buy every print of everything. The only one I don't have that I'm not willing to pay $50 for is that Willis Portacio Major X number 1 in 25 variant. So if I can get that for steal one day, I'm gonna grab it. War of the Realms, Giant Man number 1. Don't know why I'm getting all these tie-ins, but I like War of the Realms, and I really like Thor right now. Jason Aaron's War of the Realms number 4. Check out Venom on a Leash. War of the Realms Strike Force, the War Avengers. I don't really like any of the variants for these. I don't know, that's just me. And then this one, I cannot wait to read it. Donny Cates, Guardians of the Galaxy number 5. Apparently something crazy happens in this. Let's hope it's nothing we see on the cover. Look at all those Guardians, the Dark Guardians, the Guardians, and Beta Ray Bill. Which, by the way, spoiler alert, because I think I'm going to post this before my midnight video. Bam. What do you think about that? The Immortal Hulk, number 17. Alex Ross, love you. Al Ewing, Joe Bennett, Rui Jose, Paul Mounts, doing a great job. And supposedly one of the greatest X-Men runs already of all time. Rosenberg's Uncanny X-Men number 18. You may or may not know that it will be ending soon because Jonathan Hickman's about to
do it up proper. House of 10, no, Power
of 10, House of X. Take my money, Marvel. Chip Zdarsky's Daredevil number 5. And The Hunted number 5, part 5. Amazing Spider-Man number 21. Are they gonna finish that up soon? Alright, so you're probably wondering why am I going through this so fast. This is actually the second time I'm recording. And yeah, it's almost bedtime. I have 2 more Marvel ones, but I gotta show you that I got this Oblivion Song number 15. Pretty badass. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead, take these down, and I am gonna show you my 2 biggest pickups today. I got this one for steal, I'm guessing because it's a little dinged up, but that's okay. For the PC, Spider-Man Life Story number 2, the 70s, 1 in 25 ratio. This one came out a while ago, what, like 2 weeks ago? But this is the one that really got me. Now, I gotta get the 60s 1 in 25. I got Spider-Man Life Story, the 80s 1 in 25 variant. It's pretty badass, and you know that I love the 80s, so this is probably gonna go on the wall. Hopefully I can get another one. I got it for a really good price, under ratio, just saying. But yeah, what do you think about my pickups? Did I do too much? I think I did, but as long as I'm enjoying it and I'm actually reading what I'm getting, I'm gonna keep doing it for as long as I can. So yeah, thank you for being here. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you at the next stop.